In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana My Tasks dashboard. Your My Tasks dashboard is your personal command center in Asana, and it's designed to keep everything assigned to you clear and manageable. Let's start by opening it. On the left-hand sidebar of Asana, click on My Tasks. This brings up a focused view of all your assignments in one place, so you're never guessing what needs your attention next. Think of it as your daily home base. Inside My Tasks, you'll see a few default sections that help you organize work by urgency and timing. Recently assigned is where new tasks land as they come in. It's your intake tray, perfect for quick triage. Today is for the things you intend to handle now. When you're planning your day, move the highest impact work here. Upcoming is for tasks you're preparing to tackle soon, but not right this minute. It helps you see what's on deck without cluttering your immediate focus. Later is your parking lot for tasks that aren't urgent. They're safely stored out of the way, but easy to bring forward when the time is right. You can manage your workload just by dragging and dropping tasks between these sections. Click, hold, and move a task from recently assigned into today to make it part of your current plan, or shift it to upcoming or later as priorities change. You can also reorder items within a section to stack the most important ones at the top. A quick daily sweep, pulling new work out of recently assigned and placing it where it belongs, goes a long way to staying organized and calm. At the top right, you'll find options to customize how you view the same set of tasks. Switch between list, board, or calendar to match how you like to think. List view is great for a clean, detailed lineup. It's perfect when you want to scan names and notes quickly. Board view is a Kanban-style layout where your sections become columns. It's especially helpful if you like to visualize progress by moving cards from later to upcoming to today. Calendar view lays tasks out by date, making it easy to spot busy days and create a balanced schedule. It shows you when work is clustered so you can plan realistically. Remember, all three views show the same tasks. You're just changing the lens, not the content. With these basics, accessing My Tasks, organizing with sections, and choosing the view that fits, you'll keep your workload visible, prioritized, and under control.